guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal. Today I'm going to review a highlighter palette, and the wait is over because this is actually like one of my most requested videos to do a review and demo of this palette. And I haven't tried it out, so this is going to be a first impression as well. So before I move on to the review, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I always review beauty products and I do vlogs, so if you guys are interested in that, subscribe. So the highlighter palette that I'm talking about is this one, and if this looks familiar to you guys, it's because it looks like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. So, and this is not from Anastasia Beverly Hills, this is from the brand Miss Rose. So Miss Rose, I already did a review on their Aurora Glow Kit, this one Miss Rose, and I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side comparison. So they're actually different. This is the Moonchild palette and this is the Aurora palette. They actually copied the design of the ABH one. So this is how the palette looks like, and it has leaves, it's holographic. And let's open this, and these are the shades. I'm not really sure if the names of the shades are the same with the ABH Moonchild palette, but I think it's the same. This is not the wearable highlighters like the champagne golden highlighter. So I think I'm gonna do arm swatches first. Okay. Wow, that's actually very soft. Okay. I'm gonna put that right here. So this is the shade Blue Ice. It's actually greenish, like and then next is Star. Oh wow, that is like icy blue. And then we have here Purple Horseshoe. It's like purple with a pink shift. Wow. And the quality is exactly the same with the Aurora palette. And now Pink Heart. This is like a pink one. So the pink one is a bit sheer. That is the pink one, Purple Horseshoe, and then this is Pink Heart. And then we're gonna swatch. I'm actually really excited to swatch Lucky Clover, and I think that this should be named Lucky Clover because this is the greenish one. I don't know, they probably mixed it, but whatever. And okay, so now we're gonna swatch Lucky Clover. Wow. Okay, so far this is the most beautiful color that I've swatched. Oh my gosh, that is just wow. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see it, but this color is a winner if you are into like a galactic blue, baby blue highlight. This is for you. Last but definitely not the least, this is Blue Moon. Oh my gosh. So this is like a silver light blue color. Wow. I mean, so these are all the shades. As you can see, they're just sensational. And so let's start here. This is Blue Eyes, Star, Purple Horseshoe, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, which is my favorite, and then Blue Moon. Okay, so I'm going to apply Blue Clover on my cheeks now, and I'm just using this Real Techniques setting brush. It's like my favorite brush to apply my highlight. So okay, let's just zoom this in, tap off. Whoa, oh my gosh, love this color. I don't know, like, the only problem with this is that I don't know if I can pull this off. Okay, so I'm just gonna build this up and see what we can get from it. So when you're applying your highlighter, you want to use your finger and blend out the edges. But wow, that is a beautiful blue highlight. Let's just tone down the lights so you can see. So that is the blue one. Hopefully you can see it a lot better now. Wow, look at that blue. So I can definitely wear this anywhere. Like, don't be afraid to try different colors because, like I always say in my videos, it's just makeup. You can take it off, wash it off at the end of the day, and you can go ahead and experiment with makeup. So, okay, now I'm going to apply Pink Heart on this side, and I think that this is the most wearable one out of all the shades. But honestly, this one, you can rock this as well. It looks kind of pink on my swatch. This one, it looks purple on camera, but in real life, it looks more pink. So let's just apply this because I'm so excited. Okay, here. Oh, actually, that's a really nice subtle highlight, but it's so wearable as well, as you can see. Wow. Okay, so this one is more wearable and more natural looking, and it's not as intense as the other colors, which is great because you can wear this for an everyday highlight because it's not, like I said, it's not crazy. It looks so nice and I like it actually. Wow. I love this color. So I think I like this palette more than the Aurora palette just because of this blue and this Pink Heart one. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. It's like a glow from within. It doesn't look too much. It doesn't look too crazy or anything like that. But it gives you that perfect amount of pink. I think I'm gonna apply Blue Moon on my nose bridge because this is like a silvery, like white one. It looks white, so it's not gonna look crazy on my nose. I'm going to apply the shade Purple Horseshoe, and this is a really nice pinkish purple highlight, and I'm obsessed with like a pinkish purple highlight lately just because it looks holographic, and I don't know, like this is just so nice. As you can see, it goes well with this eye makeup that I did with the Folklore palette. By the way, I did this look using the Folklore Bright Luxe palette. It's like my favorite from Folklore. Now I'm gonna put blue eyes on my Cupid's bow. Just a little bit because you don't want too much there. Because if you have too much highlight there, it's not gonna look nice at all. Okay, so I'm done with the swatches and I'm done applying it on my face. What can I say? I'm definitely impressed, and I love this palette. Like, it has really good quality highlighters. If you want to be adventurous in makeup, use it. Like, find colors like this. Oh my gosh, they probably use the same pigments and the same mica as the ABH ones because the colors are like very similar. Like, based on the swatches, they look super similar. So I would rate this palette like 7 out of 10 just because I wish that the other colors doesn't look white when you turn it. I wish that they made the green like super green, and then they made the ice blue super ice blue. I love this color though, the shade Lucky Clover. This is definitely my favorite. So, and I also wish that they made Pink Heart more pink because here it looks white. I feel like if I apply it on my face, the other shades, it's going to look nice from this angle, but when I face front, it's going to give that white powdery line on my cheeks, which is not nice. So I'm really interested in this shade, the Purple Horseshoe. I'm going to put this on top of Pink Heart because you can still do it because it's a very sheer color. So I'm just gonna apply this one. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see, but with the shade, it looks like I have a white powdery line here, which I don't like. I like some of the shades, but I'm not a fan of the other shades just because I feel like some of the colors don't really show up. My favorite is definitely Lucky Clover, and that is what I have on. As you can see, it's so blue. I've actually been eyeing on the original Moonchild palette. If I see that somewhere, I'm definitely gonna order it. I'm so in love with this palette. These two are actually my favorite palettes for highlighter.